0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 24. Discussion with Barber.
Zaid is Hassan's friend. Hassan's hair becomes long because he does not cut it for long. Hassan and Ali meet after many days and they talk as follows.
Hassan, your hair has grown very long. You should make them cut now.
Yes, you are right, and I wanted to make them cut, but I could not find the time.
No problem. Now you can make it cut.
Yes, I will make them cut today.
Does the barber come to your house or do you go to him by yourself?
No, I go to the barber shop itself.
So where is the barber shop?
The barber's shop is 2 kilometers away from here.
Hassan reaches the barber shop and the following discussion takes place.
Hello, sir. Please come in.
Yes, thank you, Hassan.
Yes, tell me what may I do for you?
Cut my hair as they have grown so long.
You just want hair cutting?
Yes. Yes, I want hair cutting only.
Okay, good. So do one thing. Just sit here now and wait for your turn.
Okay, I sit, but how much time will it take?
Just 5 minutes only.
Okay.
After 5 minutes,
I have done it. Now please come.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, tell me if I have to cut the hair short or shave them.
No, do not shave it. I want you to shorten my hair on both sides.
Okay, just tell me if I have to cut it short with a machine or with scissors.
Use only scissors, not the machine.
Okay, as you say. Tell me, which side do you comb your hair?
Yes, I comb them upwards.
Okay. Do you also want to dye your hair?
Yes, for sure. I want dye as well.
Which color?
Mendi color.
Okay, I will do that.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You are welcome.
after finishing the cutting,
Yes, I cut your hair and also applied the dye. Now look in the mirror. Is everything all right?
Okay, I saw it. Can you please cut my mustache as well, as it is touching my lips?
Okay, here you go. Anything else?
No, all is okay. But I have a concern that nowadays my hair is falling a lot. Do you have any solution for this?
This is the problem these days for most people. Do one thing that is shaving your hair once, and if possible, always keep your hair short.
Okay, I do not want to shave, but I will always keep them short then.
Great. And do one thing that uses mustard oil as well, because it is very useful for the hair.
Yes, it is useful. I will use mustard oil in my hair for sure.
Okay, mister, here your hair got cut. I also applied the dye and cut your mustache as well. Now tell me if there is anything left.
No, thank you very much. It is enough for today. I will come again to you to shorten my hair.
Okay, see you. Insha'Allah.
Insha'Allah. Bye.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.